Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Anyway, today is our day 17 of our Canva tutorial. We're diving into a super important topic: designers use Canva troubleshooting tips. Whether you're a Canva newbie or existing designer, running into issue can be frustrating. But don't worry, I've got a good solution of some of the most common problems. Let's get started. First up, slow performance. Kung mabagal yung Canva mo, parang internet at kapitbahay mo, here's what you can do. Clear your browser cache. Minsan, puno na ng kalat yung browser mo, so go to your browser settings and clear the cache. Next, make sure that your design has a maximum of 50 videos or GIF and with a maximum of total of 300 elements. If you have more, try splitting your design into parts. Duplicate the design and delete some pages from each part to stay within the maximum of total elements. Then check your internet connection. Baka naman kasi yung Wi-Fi mo yung problema. So make sure that you have stable connection. Then next, what if your design isn't saving? Here's what you can do. Check your internet connection. Again, stable connection is key. No connection, no save. Or save manually. Click file, then click save to make sure that your design is saved. Log out and log back in. Unlike, minsan kailangan lang na refresh. Sometimes, a simple refresh of your session can fix the issue. If your download takes too long, your design files might too big. This happens when your design has a lot of pages, or if you are using a lot of images, videos, or animated text. You may also encounter issue if you're using elements on a big account. Here's a couple of workarounds and you can try. Download your design in batches. Split your design into separate files or remove premium elements. Then, if your Canva is crashing when you try to download your design or video, it's likely there's a problem with your device or browser. Try updating your browser to its latest version or switch in a different browser or device. Ever had trouble with elements not loading? Ang hirap mag-design kapag walang elements. So, here's what you can do. Refresh the page. Quick refresh lang naman minsan yung kailangan. Check Canva status page. Baka yung Canva yung may problema. Visit your status page to see if they are experiencing any outage. Try different browser. Minsan may favorite browser si Canva. If you have having trouble, try switching browsers. If your download looks weird or pixelated but looks clear in the editor, it usually because of the file type or image quality. Here's some ways to fix it. Make sure to check the dimension of your design before downloading. If your design size is below 500 by 500 pixels, it will likely look blurry when downloaded. If you uploaded images into Canva and use them in your design, check if they are high resolution. Using low quality images can result in blurry or pixelated design. Try the recommended high quality photos and 300 dpi when deployed. Your selected file type can affect the quality of your downloaded design. Here's a simple guide on how to choose the best file type for your design. JPG for saving images at small file sizes. It usually choosing a web use but produce a lowest resolution design. PNG for saving line drawings, text, and icons at small file sizes. They are also common choice for web upload. PDF is standard for multiple page and text-heavy documents. PDF print for prints or a high-quality version of print design. It's only a file type that saves professional print quality at 300 dpi. But note that if you use low-quality images, this will still look blurry even when downloading a PDF. If you applied a filter to your image, try to remove the filter to see if the quality improves. Some filters are softening effects, which may cause a design looks blurry. And there you have it, common Canva issues and their solutions. I hope these tips will help you rescue your design and keep your creativity flowing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more time-saving tips. Kita-kits sa next video. On your way. Good job.